So we will be downloading Unity software and Visual Studio Editor today in this lecture that we will be using for learning coding. So you need to type Unity download 32-bit in the search engine. Automatically you will come across this website, download archive Unity. Click on this and you will get redirected to a page like this. So the operating system that is here on my laptop is of 32-bit. So that is the reason I will be downloading 32-bit software. If you have got a 64-bit operating system on your laptop or desktop, whatever system you guys have, so you guys can download any version, whether it is 2020 you want to download or 2019. You can a 64-bit version of everything is available on this platform. What you guys have to do is you just have to click on this drop down and automatically you will get to see a cascading menu in which you will find that 64-bit version appearing. Now because I have got 32-bit operating system on my laptop, so I will be installing this Unity 5.x, okay, because this is the only version which is available in 32-bit on this platform. So when I will click on this, automatically the download is going to begin. Okay. So why we guys are using this Unity software and C# for learning coding? Just because we will be able to get the result faster. Okay, we will be able to learn quickly. As in comparison to Python, I find this software much interesting. Okay, you will be able to learn many things. You will be able to code different kind of gaming platforms, gaming softwares. You will be able to code on this platform. We will be we can make a 3D environment, we can make a virtual reality environment also by the help of this Unity software. And of course C# is also a object oriented language, so we will be able to learn coding also side by side. So as in comparison to Python, this is much better. Okay, let us learn this thing in a proper way. I will be posting the tutorial, all the tutorials on my YouTube channel, and I would like all of you, to motivate other students also. If whoever is interested in learning coding, they can join my channel and learn coding free of cost. In case you have got any doubt, you guys can approach me on my WhatsApp number or in the comment section of this video. So right now the Unity software is getting installed. It may take some time, so you have to be patient. You have to keep patience. Once we are done with installing this software on our laptop, I will be telling you how we guys can register our profile on the Unity website's platform, and after that how can we sign in into the Unity software that is there on our laptop or desktop. It is a very, very, very interesting software. You are going to love it a lot. Okay, we can make 2D games, we can make 3-dimension games, we can create 3-dimensional environment in this software. So it will be a very different kind of thing that you will be getting to learn. You will get to learn from this. And the knowledge that we have got from that whatever we have learned on that code.org platform, the knowledge that we have got, the knowledge of coding, it is going to help us a lot when we guys will be working on this platform and creating different kind of things. So if you haven't checked my coding lectures on that code.org platform that I've created on that platform, so please go ahead and check those basic coding, so that you can get a good feel of this environment. So I think I'm done with installing this Unity software. Now this is how you can access it on your laptop or desktop or whatever system you guys have on which you will install the software. And besides, try to find out time for these things, because it is a very good time we can give for we can use for enhancing our creative skills. Okay, learning something different, something new, which is going to benefit us a lot in our career. Okay, so now this is a sign in page. So for this I am going to use my personal email ID. You guys can use yours if you do not have any. So please create an email ID, because on that email ID you will be receiving a link. Okay, once you are done with registering your profile on this platform, you will be getting a link on that email ID. Now here you need to you need to come on this create one option that is there in blue color. Okay, you need to click on this, that, and automatically you will get redirected to this website, this page of Unity website. Now you have to give all the required information. Okay, this is a page. Now here you have to fill in your email address. So this is my email address that I'm going to write it down here. And in case you have any query, you can contact me on my email address also. I do not have any problem in that. So username, I'm going to keep it as jangaurav126, and here I'm going to type my full name. I think the password I need to type in again, because it is coming inside the red box. Let me just define a new password for my ID. I think now it is fine. So once you're done with filling all the details, what you guys have to do is you guys have to click on that create a Unity ID that is there right at the bottom. Fine. Automatically again you will get redirected. Sorry, I think I have not capture code. I have not entered. I need to enter the capture code also. Okay, I need to tick mark this checkbox. Now this is some formality that we need to do. Okay, now it is good. So now we can create our Unity ID, and once we are done with clicking on when you'll click on this, automatically you'll get redirected to this page. And now it is asking me to confirm my email address. So I've got a link on my email ID, and I've clicked on that, and automatically this is how once I'm done with confirming my email address. So this is a dashboard of mine where this platform is going to get where I am going to get redirected to. Now here I need to again sign in with the password and the email ID that I've created. So when I will click on the sign in option, I will be able to access now my Unity platform. Now the license, this platform is checking my license. Now here we have got two options. So we will be using Unity Personal, because Unity Plus or Pro we need to pay something. They are the paid software, but the features are same, there is hardly any difference between Unity Personal and Unity Professional. So even if you're using Unity Personal, you will be able to create many things. You don't need to worry about that. Here we need to again fill this whole survey. And the students who have not watched my sessions that I've taken earlier on that related to that code.org platform, I have talked about I talked about different labs like App Lab, Game Lab, Sprite Lab, etc., etc. And besides, I have discussed about how can we create new things using the features available in those labs. So if you haven't seen those videos, it is my request to you guys, please check out those videos so that you can get a good understanding of the coding that we are going to do on this platform. It is going to be a very interesting thing for all of you, and anyone can do it. You don't require any prior coding knowledge or any deep knowledge of coding for learning this Unity software or .NET. All the things we will be doing here on my YouTube channel. You don't need to go anywhere, you don't need to worry about anything. And in case you have any query, what you can do is you can make use of the comment section, okay, and approach me. So I'm done with this survey now. This is a screen that I will get to see. New project I need to click on now. So there are two environments present over here, 2D and 3D. I'm going to save my project. I want to save my project on the desktop, so this is a location. And now 2D or 3D, which project I want to create? I want to create a 3D project, suppose. So the option that I've selected is 3D. Now what is going to happen? So the files are getting uploaded, all the packages of 3D environment are getting uploaded right now. So this is a 3D environment that you will get to see once you are done with installing Unity software on your laptop, and you're done with creating a profile on the Unity website. This is the whole environment over here. Okay, we will talk about every aspect of this later on, but the first thing that you need to do today is you need to install this software on your laptop on priority basis, so that you can learn coding, you can learn how you can develop 3D games, full-fledged 3D 2D games on this platform. So you need to install it first. Okay, in the next lecture we will be talking about how can we install Visual Studio, and then how can we connect it with this Unity software that we have got on our system. Okay, thank you very much for watching this lecture. And besides, I would like to request all of you again at the end that please do let all the students know about this thing that I am teaching coding on my YouTube channel, so that more and more students who are interested in learning coding can join my channel and take the benefit of this free coding classes. Thank you very much.